Let's face it, budgeting sucks. The spreadsheets, the guilt, the endless tracking, it feels like a second job. But what if I told you there's a way to take control of your money without the headache? It's called the 50-30-20 rule, and it's so simple anyone can follow it. In this video, I'll show you exactly how it works, how to automate it, and how it can help you save, spend, and still live your life without financial stress. Stick around to the end for a real-world example that makes this rule even easier to follow. The 50-30-20 rule is a simple budgeting framework that helps you manage every dollar you earn. 50% of your income goes to needs. Needs are the non-negotiables. The things you literally need to survive and function. Think rent or mortgage, utilities like water and electricity, groceries, health insurance, transportation to work. If this category eats up more than 50% of your take-home pay, it's time to reassess. Maybe that means downsizing, switching service providers, or rethinking your commute. The goal is balance, not perfection. 30% goes to wants. This is the part most budgets ignore: joy. Wants include dining out, travel, streaming services, hobbies, subscriptions, concerts, all the fun stuff. And yes, they matter. Because if you cut out everything you enjoy, you won't stick to your budget. The 50-30-20 rule gives you permission to enjoy your money guilt-free, as long as you keep it within 30%. 20% goes to savings and debt repayment. This is where the magic happens. Use it for building an emergency fund, investing in index funds or retirement accounts, paying off credit cards and student loans faster. Even if it doesn't feel like much now, consistent savings and smart debt payoff will put you ahead of 90% of people in just a few years. The best part? You can automate all of this. Here's how. Open 3 separate bank accounts, one for needs, one for wants, and one for savings. Set up your paycheck to automatically split into those accounts using the 50-30-20 ratio. Use budgeting apps like Simple to track and tweak over time. Once it's in place, you literally don't have to think about budgeting anymore. It runs on autopilot. Let's see a real-world example. Let's say you bring in $3,000 after tax each month. Here's how the rule would break that down. $1,500 on needs, $900 on wants, $600 into savings or paying off debt. It's clear, visual, and completely doable. Watch out for these common mistakes. Mislabeling wants as needs. Netflix isn't a need. Lifestyle inflation. Just because you earn more doesn't mean your wants should explode. No flexibility. If your cost of living is high, shift your ratios. Go 60-20-20 or 70-20-10. The goal isn't to follow the rule perfectly. It's to create a framework that works for you. Budgeting doesn't have to feel like punishment. With the 50-30-20 rule, you get control, clarity, and room to breathe even if you hate track.